The rise of skin cycling, a smarter beauty routine for 2025. Skincare has long been a complex maze of serums, peels, toners, and moisturizers, but in 2025, a smarter, more strategic method has emerged and gained massive popularity across beauty forums and influencer platforms alike: skin cycling. This science-backed trend focuses not on more products, but on better timing. By alternating active ingredients over a few days, the skin is given time to recover and strengthen, offering maximum benefits with minimal irritation. Dermatologists now recommend this technique as the go-to strategy for reducing inflammation, balancing skin microbiomes, and optimizing long-term skin health. It's no longer about layering, but about sequencing. Skin cycling typically follows a 4-day rhythm: exfoliation night, retinoid night, and 2 recovery nights. On exfoliation night, chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs are used to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. The following evening, retinoids are applied to stimulate cell turnover, soften fine lines, and address pigmentation issues. The 2 subsequent nights are focused on hydration and skin barrier repair, using products rich in ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. This method prevents overexfoliation, one of the biggest contributors to chronic skin sensitivity and premature aging. Its appeal lies in both its simplicity and effectiveness. Social media platforms are abuzz with transformations. Influencers share before and after images showing reduced redness, smoother textures, and fading acne scars after just a few weeks of skin cycling. What's more, the routine is fully customizable. For example, individuals with sensitive skin may extend the recovery phase to 3 or 4 nights, while those targeting aggressive issues like cystic acne can switch out traditional retinoids for prescription-level options. It's this flexibility that has made skin cycling a viral topic, frequently searched and discussed in online beauty communities and dermatology subreddits. Beyond its scientific merits, skin cycling has become a branding opportunity for many skincare companies. Brands now market their products in cycle kits tailored to each phase of the routine, helping consumers stick to the method with clarity and ease. Packaging and product naming follow the cycling theme, making it not just a regimen, but a lifestyle. Marketing campaigns often illustrate each phase on split posters, featuring glowing faces with labels like reset, repair, recharge, and renew. In a world obsessed with self-care and routine, skin cycling is not just a trend, it's a new philosophy in skincare that empowers people to do more with less.